I'm Dr. Ruma Sinha, Professor in Gynecology, Laparoscopic and Robotic Surgeon at Apollo Hospital, Hyderabad. What is fibroid uterus and why should you worry about it? Now, as a woman, if you do a scan, about 20 to 25% of average population, there will be a report of a fibroid in your ultrasound scan. Should you be worried? Well, asymptomatic fibroid should not be worried about. But first we must remember and understand what is fibroid uterus. It's a simple tumor that can form in the body of your uterus. Up to 3 to 5 centimeters, if the fibroids are not giving you any symptoms, we can just observe the fibroids and see what happens. We did not do any kind of treatment for it. The question next arises is that what are the problems that this fibroid can give you? The fibroid can give you pain, the fibroid can give you heavy bleeding, the fibroid can give you, if they grow very big as a mass, you can feel it in your abdomen, or fibroids can sometimes give you a problem of infertility. If any of these fibroids problems are available or is there for you, then you may require a treatment for fibroid. Again, what treatment we offer depends upon the location of the fibroid. Now, fibroid treatment, if required, is usually surgical. Although fibroid is by and large not cancerous, they are benign tumors of the uterus, but they need a surgical management. There are some medicines, injections, and some kinds of treatments like uterine artery embolization, but by and large they are all temporary effect. So they will shrink the fibroids a little bit, maybe reduce your symptoms, but they will not do away with the fibroid. So a shrunk fibroid will remain in your uterus. The ultimate surgical treatment for fibroid is to remove the fibroid, which is the surgical management. And what do we do to remove the fibroid? We can do two things. One is we can remove the fibroid and save the uterus. We often do in women who want to preserve their uterus, especially who want to get pregnant in the future. The second is if you are not interested in keeping your uterus, or if you are 45, 50, 55 in that age group, then we recommend to remove the uterus along with the fibroids. Now these are surgical methods which today, because thanks to technology, has become almost like a daycare surgery. So we offer laparoscopic as well as robotic surgery in situations like this. We do both removing of uterus and removing of fibroids isolated by laparoscopy and robotic method at Apollo Hospital, Hyderabad. We almost do it like a fast-track surgery today. So as a patient, you hardly need to come for one night on the day of surgery, get the surgery done, maybe go the same evening or the next morning you're back home. Blood loss by these technologies are very minimal. Pain is very minimal, and you are able to get back to your family, work, office within a week's time. But in elderly age group, if symptoms are the main problem, one can try doing these medications or uterine artery embolization to symptomatically give you relief, to pass over the crisis so that you reach menopause and then the fibroid doesn't trouble you much. But large fibroids do need surgical management. We at Apollo offer any kind of fibroid, big, small, multiple, by minimal access surgery. We hardly ever offer an open surgery for fibroid management. So let us know if you need our help.